Hi, my name is Kim. I'm a yoga instructor here at the SDFC, and this is going to be a Vinyasa class for beginner to intermediate levels. I'll be giving you a lot of modifications, a lot of different options here to fit your needs. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's start in child's pose. So if you're not familiar with child's pose, we're bringing our knees wider than the hips, and we're have the feet together, sitting back on the heels, arms in front of us. You can have your forehead on the mat, or maybe it's slightly off the mat, hovering. And just take a moment here to start focusing on your breath. Not trying to change anything right now. Just noticing your inhales and exhales. In Vinyasa, we eventually achieve one breath per movement. And so it's important from the very beginning of this practice to start to bring our breath into consciousness. Start to inhale, filling up the belly, let it drop towards the mat. Open mouth, exhale. One more inhale through the nose. Filling up the belly, filling up the chest. Exhale the mouth. One more deep inhale, filling up the belly, filling up the chest, feeling our chest expand up towards the ceiling, allowing our collarbones to drop towards the mat. Holding at the top, open mouth, exhale. Letting it all go. Get to walk your hands over the right side of your mat, and just really slowly walking your hands over, finding a big side stretch to the left side of your body. Maybe breathing into that lift, hip. And then slowly take it to the opposite side. Again, pressing into that brace, feeling that opening on the right side of the body. Then walking your hands back to center. We're coming up to a quadruped position. Here you want to have your fingers wide, but our weight is in the palms of our hands. And we're stacking the knees underneath the hips so that we can create a little box. And here we're doing a couple cat pose. Inhale, drop the chest, arch the back. Hands come up with the belly. Exhale, put the pelvis under, round through the spine. Inhale, arch. Exhale. You can move at your own pace at any time in this practice, just making sure to get a bit of water, move it always. Together, every week. A couple more. And the last one back to center. From here, making sure that our weight is still in the palms of our hands. We're going to practice tucking our toes under and lifting the heels off the mat. So you're hovering and then dropping that down. You want to make sure that in your shoulders, you're still pressing away, but you're not toggling with your chest. So everything is engaged with the upper body while we're doing this. Just a few more here. And last one, coming into bear pose. So we're sitting back in the heel, our gaze comes forward just between the hands, move the hands. And then slowly round forward into our plank. And you may need to readjust yourself here, maybe stepping the feet back a little high on to maybe adjusting the hands. You want to make sure that your hands are underneath your shoulders, that your toes, that the balls of your feet are underneath your heels, and that your feet are hip width apart. From here, bend your knees, sit back into their pose, and then round forward. Okay. Let's do 3 more. And as you sit back, take an exhale, roll forward, inhale. Last one. Coming into our downward facing dog. This is a key pose of our practice. So you want to make sure that your shoulders are away from the ears because you're still spread wide. And our heels are pulling energetically towards the mat. It's okay if your heels don't touch, like you would never touch. Completely normal. If you need to, you can bend your knees as an option. This is a little hard on your back. But try to feel like your chest is energetically pulling between your thighs. Wherever you're at, take a deep inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. And shift your gaze forward. Bend the knees. You can step, hop, or jump, finding your forward movement. Toes and heels touch. Bending the knees and slowly lower forward. Let the great time start to rise up, finding your Tadasana on your head. Sitting nice and tall. Exhale, bending cactus arms. Bending the arms on either side. Feeling our shoulder blades pull towards each other. Heart centers energetically pulling towards the ceiling. Inhale, both arms reach up. Feel free to take extra breaths here. We're just outlining our sun sound way. Arms sweep back, sit back into our chair with airplane arms. Inhale, both arms reach up into possible chair pose. Here you want to feel like you're sitting deep into a chair, that the weight is mostly in your heels, but you can see your toes down on the opposite side of your knees. Here we're also lifting through our heart center, chest in, arms reach up, maybe feeling like from the base of your spine to the crown of your head is in a straight line. Exhale, hands to heart forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Here, bringing the shoulder blades together, not allowing them to come forward like when you're in position. Your shoulders are back. And exhale, chaturanga. So you have options here. You can either jump all the way back to a high plank with our elbows bent, or you can step back. You can also step onto your knees. Wherever you're at, you're working on getting the elbows at a 90-degree angle. And if you can do one leg at a time, that's another way to start building strength in the upper body. Inhale, cobra. Peeling our upper body off the mat. We're not using our hands to push here, but our thoracic spine, that's the upper part of your spine, is our peeling off the mat. Tuck and toes, exhale, downward facing dog. More deep inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. And let's start to connect our breath to movement. So inhale, we shift forward. Exhale, slowly fold. Inhale, slowly rise up. Tadasana. Exhale, cactus. Inhale, reach. Exhale, chair, earthing arms, sit back. Inhale, arms reach up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, mudra. Tuck the toes, exhale, down. Let's do two more. Inhale, gaze forward. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, Tadasana, mountain pose. Exhale, arms. Inhale, reach. Exhale, sit back here in the arms. Inhale, arms reach up into the top of the mat. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Shoulder blades together. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, left facing down. Inhale, gazing forward. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, Tadasana. Inhale, reach. Exhale, chair with arms. Inhale, Vinyasa. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, yoga. Exhale, let it snap. Nice job, everyone. Deep inhale through the nose. Exhale, the nose. Moving on to our sun B. From here, shifting our weight into our left foot. Right leg rises. Keeping the hips square towards the mat. So we're not opening up yet, but we're keeping everything square towards the mat. Exhale, open up the hips. So here you can stack the hips one on top of the other. Knees bent. If you want to, you can find some movement here, maybe some circles. Trying to stay with your weight evenly distributed through your hands. Square the hips back off. Inhale. Exhale, bending the knee to chest. Round forward. And step the foot to your right thumb. There's two options here. You can stay in high crescent lunge, or you can drop down to Vinyasa. Options. If you're in high crescent lunge, inhale, both hips up. Your left. Exhale, cactus arms. Inhale, both arms reach. Exhale, right arm goes back. Left arm forward. We're finding the shift to the upper part of your mat. And you can be here, or if you have your yoga, either one started. If you want to challenge yourself, you can right doing things to your right hand. Inhale, both arms reach up. Exhale, forward, chaturanga. Inhale for cobra. Tuck your toes, exhale, down dog. Switching it out, opposite side. Inhale, left leg lifts. Keeping the legs forward towards the mat. Hips are square. Exhale, bend the knee, open up the hip. Maybe find some hip circles here. Any kind of intuitive movement that you're feeling. Trying to keep that weight evenly distributed in your hands. Inhale, square the hips back off. Pressing through that left heel, feeling that long line of energy from the crown of your head through your heel. And then bend your knee to your chest, round forward, stepping the left hand, stepping to your left hand. Again, you can be in high crescent lunge or low crescent. Inhale, both arms reach up. Exhale, cactus arms. Inhale, reach. Exhale, left arm sweeps back this side, finding that twist from this side. And again, if you want to take a challenge, you can reach and see if you can lead your gaze to your left foot. Inhale, both arms reach up. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, cobra. Tuck your toes, exhale, down the bottom. Deep inhale through the nose. Exhale the nose. Let's do this one more time on either side. Inhale, right leg lifts. Exhale, bend the knee, open the hip. Inhale, square the hips off. Exhale, step it through, high before the lunge. Inhale, forward. Exhale, cactus. Inhale, forward. Exhale, right arm sweeps back. Inhale, forward. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale for cobra. Tuck your toes, exhale, down dog. Inhale, left leg lift. Exhale, bend the knee, open up the hip. Inhale, to straighten. Exhale, step it through the left arm. Inhale, forward. Exhale, cactus arms. Inhale, reach. Exhale, left arm sweeps back. Inhale, both arms reach up. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale for cobra. And this time, exhale, knees wider than the hips, sit back, child's pose. Take one deep inhale from the nose, exhale from the mouth. Inhale, right arm reaches wide. Exhale, thread it through. Just a minute of stretching. And then switch it out opposite side. Inhale, reach. Exhale, through the feet. And release. So we start to walk your hands back into you. And however you need to get there, maybe crossing the legs underneath the skin position. And then lower down onto your back. From here, we're going to do happy baby. So you can reach for the big toes or the outsides of your feet and work on pulling your knees into your armpits. Tailbone is pulling towards the mat. And if you want, you can find a gentle rocking motion right to left. Taking a slower breath down, closing out the back ribs. From here, keep your right leg in and send your left leg out straight, pressing through the heel, and then sending it all the way down. Nice and slow. If you need to, you can bring that foot to the mat. This is a little bit more excessive. From here, bringing the sole of the right foot into the palm of your left hand, finding a half pigeon, and gently press through open. Slowly release the leg all the way down. Switching out to the left side, bringing that left knee into your left armpit, letting your half baby. Just for a moment. Keeping that right foot on the mat. And then bringing the sole of your left foot into the palm of your right hand. However you like, pressing that knee open. Again, if you need to, you can bring this right foot up. And slowly release. You can keep your feet in towards you and then open your knees out wide for a Vinyasa. Or you can send your feet out long, arms wide, eyes closed, Shavasana. Staying here in Shavasana as long as you need, focus on your breath. Thank you all so much for sharing this practice with me today. Take care of yourselves and hope to see you again.